Assalamualaikum and hi kids. In this video, we are going to listen to a song. Then we are going to make sentences about the animals in the song. So please open your Superminds textbook, page 36 in Unit 3, Pet Show. Let's get started.
Student's Book, page 36. 1. Listen and sing.
Look at the spiders, look at the rats, look at the lizards, and look at the cats. Look at the elephants, look at the dogs, look at the ducks, and look at the frogs. Spiders, cats, lizards and rats, ducks, dogs, elephants and frogs. Spiders, cats, lizards and rats, ducks, dogs, elephants and frogs.
Now, look at the lyrics and list out all the animals in the song. Senaraikan semua haiwan di dalam lagu itu. Spiders, rats, lizards, cats, elephants, dogs, ducks, frogs. Now, look at your book. Look at the pictures very carefully. And let's count the animals. 6 spiders, 9 rats, 3 lizards, 7 cats, 2 elephants, 4 dogs, 8 ducks, 10 frogs. We are going to make sentences using the pictures. You have listed down the animals. Now, let's take a look at a formula to make the sentences. Jom kita lihat satu formula untuk membina ayat berdasarkan gambar. First, you put the number followed by the animals. Then the word are, because the animals are more than one. Then you put the position in, on, or under. And then the word the. And lastly, the name of the object or the place where the animals are situated. It's easier to put it in a table like this. Now, let's look at their position. First, we'll look at the spiders. So, the position di atas bekas pensel. Di atas on bekas pensel, pencil case. Let's look at the rats. Di dalam meja. Di dalam in meja desk. Let's look at the lizards. Di dalam bag. Di dalam in, bag, bag. Let's look at the cats. Di bawah meja. Di bawah, under, meja, desk. Now let's look at the elephant. Di atas pembaris. Di atas, on, pembaris, ruler. Now let's look at the dogs. Di atas meja. Di atas, on, meja, desk. Now let's look at the ducks. Di atas buku-buku. Di atas, on, buku-buku, books. Lastly, let's look at the frogs. Di bawah kerusi. Di bawah, under, kerusi, chair. Now let's start making the sentences using the formula given. 6 spiders on pencil case. 6 spiders are on the pencil case. 9 rats in desk. 9 rats are in the desk. 3 lizards in bag. 3 lizards are in the bag. 7 cats under desk. 7 cats are under the desk. 2 elephants on ruler. 2 elephants are on the ruler. 4 dogs on desk. 4 dogs are on the desk. 8 ducks on books. 8 ducks are on the books. 10 frogs under chair. 10 frogs are under the chair. Excellent! Alright kid, that's all for now. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye!